Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we discuss the NCERT back exercise solutions of class 11th and 12th physics, chemistry and biology. And today we are discussing the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants, which is the very first chapter of your class 12th book. And we are discussing question number 8 today, which is asking what is self-incompatibility? Why does self-pollination not lead to seed formation in self-incompatible species? So basically पहले हमें सेल्फ इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी बताना है क्या होता है, उसके बाद हमें बताना है कि सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन से क्यों सीड फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पाता है इन केस ऑफ सेल्फ इनकम्पैटिबल स्पीशीज. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन व्हाट इज सेल्फ इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी. सेल्फ इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी क्या होता है? जनरली चिल्ड्रन इट इज़ अ जेनेटिकली कंट्रोल्ड मैकेनिज्म. जैसे कि अगर एक फ्लावर है तो उस फ्लावर में अगर सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होती है, लेट्स से these are the anthers, they have released pollen grains and pollen grains land upon the stigma of the same flower. This is the stigma of the same flower. So children, what happens is that the stigma of the same flower rejects the pollen grains coming from the same flower. Why? Because they carry same type of genes. So if the stigma realizes that on receiving pollen grains from the same flower that they carry the same genes, they are going to reject the pollen grains, and this particular mechanism is known as self incompatibility. And you can clearly understand अगर self incompatibility होगी तो seed formation नहीं हो पाएगी, because self pollens are prevented from entering the ovule. Self pollens are prevented from entering the ovule. And hence fertilization will not take place and ultimately the seed will not be formed. So I hope it is clear to you. Let's write self-incompatibility. Self-incompatibility is a genetically controlled mechanism, where the pollens of the same flower or plant, even plant is also having the same genes na. So if the pollens come from different flower of the same plant also, they are also prevented. Where the pollens of the same flower or plant are prevented to pollinate the stigma of the same flower. So the second part of the question was stigma of the same flower. So what was the second part of the questions? It was asking why does self-pollination not lead to seed formation in case of self-incompatible species? So seed formation is not possible. In self-incompatible species, because self means pollens from the same flower, self pollens are prevented from pollinating stigma of the same flower. So I hope children this particular concept is clear to you now. If you have liked the video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel Vedantu NEET English. See you in the next session.